Hello everyone! It's me, Muffy Purple UK guys. So, flex ko lang sa inyo. Welcome to my little garden. So, ayan guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys ang aking mga tomatoes. Some of them ay green and some of them ay mayroon na ring red. So, this is guys. Ayan siya guys. Ay pinangtanim ko lang siya guys sa pots. Look at that. All is plastic. So ayan guys, napakadaming bunga guys. Look at that. This is it. Ito naman guys ay cherry tomatoes. So ayan, ang dami nilang bunga guys. Look at that. Wow. Yung iba guys ay red na, but yung iba naman ay green pa. So iba naman ay look, namumulaklak pa guys. So ito naman look, may ilan ay mga may red na at yung iba ay green. So ito cherry tomatoes guys. Look at that. So ayan guys, ito lang muna ang maipakita ko guys. So kapag mag-harvest na tayo guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo. But for now, ito lang muna. Yung look at that. Mayroon ng green, mayroon ng red. So ayan, ito guys. Look at that. Wow. Ang dami namang bunga guys. Mayroon pa doon sa kabila. But dito lang muna tayo. Look at that guys. Ang lalaki guys. Look. So, and then ito naman. So, ayan guys, nakatanim lang yan sila sa mga plastic pots. So, ito naman guys ang potatoes. But, maybe few months, maybe 1 month more, yan, ready to harvest na. But, as for now, hindi pa yan siya guys ready. Makaharvest tayo guys ng ilan-ilan sa ating tomatoes for today. Dahil mayroon na siyang ready to harvest na. Ayan siya guys. So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like and share. Muffy Purple UK. Have a nice day everyone. God bless.